Have you ever imagined trading hundreds of thousands of dollars without risking your own capital? Well, be ready, because today we are diving into the FTMO challenge, a life-changing opportunity for skilled traders to go pro. Alright, what is FTMO? In simple words, FTMO is a proprietary trading firm. They are not a broker, they are a firm that gives skilled traders access to large amount of capital. But, and this is key, you need to prove that you have got what it takes. FTMO challenge is their way of testing your trading skills before they give you a funded account. So you are essentially showing them that you can trade responsibly and profitably. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's break it down. Here is how the FTMO challenge works. Okay guys, so this is the site of the FTMO company, and here we can see the FTMO challenge. It's a two-step process. The step 1 is called FTMO challenge and the step 2 is called verification. Then of course when you achieve the step 1 and step 2, there is the step 3 where you become directly the FTMO trader. A very important thing to notice is that both phases has an unlimited trading period time, so it means that you have an endless time to pass those phases. Guys, in the first phase your goal is to achieve a profit equal to 10% of the initial account balance. For example, if you're trading a 50,000 account, your target is 5,000, as you can see there. A very important thing to say is that you cannot lose more than 5,000 of the account in a single trading day, calculated from either the starting equity of the day or the highest equity reached during the day. What I just said is the daily drawdown. Then there is also the maximum loss, which is 10% of the account balance. As you can see on the screen, the minimum trading days are 4 to be able to pass the challenge and achieve the verification phase. In the step 2, the profit target is reduced to 5% of the initial account balance. So let's take in example again the 50,000 account. As you can see there, the profit target is just 2.5k aka 5%. The rules for daily and overall drawdown remain exactly the same as phase 1. 5% daily and 10% overall. Similar to phase 1, you need to trade for a minimum of 4 days to pass and have access to the live funded account. If you achieve to pass both phases, you will be eligible to the refund of the fee that you paid for the challenge. So guys, if you achieve the refund, you are basically trading without risking any money, and I think this is one of the most incredible part of this pro firm. Guys, pay attention to one thing. FTMO evaluates your trading consistency. Wild fluctuations in your trading style or risk management might raise red flags. So let's make an example. If you're like risking 3 to 4% to pass quickly the challenge, they will think that you are gambling, and so you will lose the account. Guys, if you think deeply, this is a very good sign, because we are not here to gamble. We are here to trade and make consistent payouts, and not some crazy payouts that you will see only once. So let's rewind. If you pass both phases following all the rules, congratulations. Let's see this in more detail. Guys, as I was saying, you can keep up to 90% of the profits and arrive also at 2 million of the FTMO account. And to do so, you of course need some requirements to do. The first requirement is minimum of 4-month cycle. The second requirement is that you need at least 10% total net simulated profit. Then you need to process at least 2 rewards, means 2 payouts. And then of course when you are asking for the scale up, you need a positive account balance. Guys, FTMO then allows you to trade a wide range of instruments. As you can see there is the forex, indices, crypto and commodities. In the forex field, you can trade the major, the minor and the exotic currency pairs. Then you can trade also the commodities like the gold, the silver, the oil and other resources. Then there are the indices, like you can trade US 30, US 100, US 50 and other indices. And then of course there is the crypto phase, where we know that the biggest phases are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, FTMO flexibility in instruments means you can tailor your trading to your expertise. Whatever you are, a scalper, swing trader or day trader, there is some something for everyone. Now I would like to focus on some key rules and main questions that a lot of traders ask. Guys, one of the most important questions is that, can I trade news? Guys, the answer is in front of you. As you can see there, in an FTMO challenge and verification, you can trade freely during all news releases. But when you become an FTMO funded trader, you have to be very careful because, guys, FTMO accounts are not allowed to execute any new trade or close an existing trade on the targeted, as per the table instrument, in the window of 2 minutes before until 2 minutes after the release of the below news announcements. And here you can see all the news announcements. An important thing to say that on the swing account of the FTMO you can trade the news. Guys, the second most asked question is that, do I have to close my position overnight? And here the answer is that in an FTMO challenge or verification we don't have to, so our trades can be open also at night. But when we become an FTMO trader, we have to close our position just before the market close for the weekend, or if the rollover, which is the market break, is longer than 2 hours. But guys, we have to say that for the FTMO account swing we don't have any restrictions for news trading or holding trades over the weekend. Let's now look at the testimonials of this industry. As you can see, FTMO has a 4.8 star on Trustpilot, which is quite amazing, and you can see that majorly there are only nice comments for them, and guys, that's why they are the best in the prop firm trading industry. Now let's talk about the one thing that distinguishes FTMO from the other prop firms. They offer to be part of the Quantlane, which is a traditional proprietary trading company. Guys, Quantlane was founded in 2014 and currently operates under the wings of the FTMO group. The company is filled with mathematicians, engineers, quants, developers and trading enthusiasts who build multiple trading strategies in order to tackle the challenge in the financial market. Once you qualify from the supreme level, you will have the opportunity to be assessed for a job position at this traditional proprietary trading firm to bring your trading career among the professionals in the highest level of the industry. Guys, let me know if you have any other questions regarding FTMO. I will reply to every comment out there, and remember to smash the like button, share the video and finally subscribe to see more videos about trading.